another video. And today, I've been working on this Lego project. By the way, we are in Mount Baldy right now at the cabin. And it is so cold outside right now. You might even hear through the video like some wind storms going. But yeah, so I've been working on this and I got a lot of it so far. Let me come down and show you right here. So hey guys, hold on one second. Oh, here's your invitation to the loft, but yeah, we can do it. So hey guys, yeah, so here we go. Yeah, so we got this up in the house. And yeah, and oh my goodness, I will be so sorry about this mess. I got barely a lot of toys, but they're super big, so it kind of takes up a lot of room up here. But yeah, so sorry about that. Oh, hold on, listen. You hear that? That's a wind thing outside. It's crazy, right? Oh my goodness. But yeah, here's what we got so far up close. So, I'm on step 35, page 40, and yeah, I'm working on the wings right here for the thingamajiggabob. They're probably gonna go somewhere around there, but yeah. So yeah, we're gonna give you a little quick shot of the wind if we can catch it, but yeah. Okay guys, and we're back. Wasn't that stuff out there a daisy? But yeah, so we got it finished. Here's the thing. Some spinning turbines in the front. And here's these Lego figures. So this guy, these wings like this really remind me of the Voltron right there. Like, these wings look so similar. But yeah, I like that too. And that's one of the guys. And then we got Kai from Ninjago. This awesome dragon sword. And yeah, so we got this, the sword stand. For this sword, yeah. We also will be doing a lot, and when I mean a lot, I mean a lot of toy reviews. See over there? Got a Mythosaur named Rex. Got this Voltron stuff. It's awesome. But yeah. So this shoots out. So if you have a little brother or little sister or a big brother or a big sister, do not shoot out of the things to your little brother or big sister or little brother. So yeah, you wouldn't want to be hitting your eyes with that. And we got some extra pieces. Yeah, it's time for him to go on his mission. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh no, it's not going in. Just arms up. Hold on, guys, I'm coming down. Hold on, one sec. Okay. Dang it. Traditional feet turning off like Lego Nijago up. Let's see if this boy can fly. Oh my, maybe he can fly. So hey guys, so right now I'm gonna sit in front of the fireplace. So babies, and yeah, hope everyone got what they wanted for Christmas. Tell me in the comments down below what you got, if you got Legos, and yeah, peace boys, have fun with your toys.